Morning guys and girls. We're fixing this Bowers and Wilkins ASW608, and it's a subwoofer. Now it's a beautiful system set up. It's got all adjustments and that. They're over $1,000, these things. Well, they were $1,000 when I did this. Now the amplifier is here along the side here, and it's got their B and W on the circuit board, and their main amplifier for the the Class C or Class D amplifier is here. Now this one always goes, and I'll try and show you where it goes, if I remember where I saw it go. It's around here near this transformer, the large transformer here. It's the large transformer. So you've got blown up parts there, if you can see them. They're all blown up, and I could have repaired it, but I thought it was going to take too long, and it was a customer's. So I thought, well, a customer and a neighbour that needed it done. If I had customers. I don't do this as a living anymore. I used to. On the side. Not on the side, more as a job. So I'm just going to take this one out. I got a new one off. And I got it, if you're in Australia, from eBay. There's another company in America that sell these. I couldn't afford the shipping from them. I'll try and list them as well. But yeah, from eBay. This comes from China, I'd say. So a lot of things come from China. So it's a nice circuit board anyway. So they do send a heap of connectors with it, just in case you've got a fault in one of the connectors. So I'm pretty happy with that, but I don't think I'm going to need them at this point. But you do get them, and that would mean that you need a tool, but they don't provide you with a tool or say you'd need one, but I have one. Yeah, so if you need one, you're going to need a tool to do it if you need to do that. But yeah, this area here is the bad area. So my suggestion is to get it off eBay. I'll try and list it underneath. But this is your Class D amplifier. Watch these things here. If you're playing with it the first time, you've never done electronics before, be careful of the capacitors. They have a charge on them, and you don't want to be playing with them. Now to get this thing open, you're going to need a Stanley knife to get along the sides, because it is double-sided taped and it feels like it won't come out. So it is very hard to get apart, but Stanley knife will do it. A very thin one will get it off for you. So I suggest the Stanley knife for the win. That over there, this is my nice new one. You'll see that that area here, that area in here doesn't have that problem here. Now I'm not sure why it does that, so I haven't done any fault finding on it. I haven't got the multimeter out to have a look. I might have a go at it later, but yeah, so there's your new one there, and you can actually see off the old one there's not much difference to it. And there's the new part here. So I'd say there's some sort of inline cap, and they're connected to the earth rail, so through these, and provide the earth for this part here. So I'd say that FET's probably gone as well, but that's just me saying that. Not testing it at this moment, so might test it later. That's about all you have to do when you buy the part from eBay or from a reseller from England or a reseller from America. So yeah, all good. I did make up a couple of different shows that I wanted to do, and stupid me, in a rush, deleted a heap of my videos because I transferred them to the computer and deleted them. So that's why I haven't put anything up for a while. No point putting rubbish up. Better off to put something good up for everyone to watch. You see the Class D amplifier over here, and this is the power amplification here. All the yeah, the double-sided tape is here, along here, this stuff. I took some of it off. I did it. It's alright, it'll be cut out. Now the difference here between this connector and that connector, there's not much. So whether I've got that right, I don't know, but I think I have. So that'll be screwed onto the back. These go back onto the speaker. Now they can go either way. It's just a coil of wire that goes around and pushes the magnet in and out. So I'm just putting the screws in. These ones are a coarse screw and these are a machine screw on the outside. So just take one out. These are really coarse. They go into the wood. The other one goes into the wood as well, but it's in a threaded system, and I'd say they put a threaded connector in there to take these up. So there's 3 on this side, 1 in the centre, another 3 in there, and 1 in there, and then there's 4 of these on the outside before you can take it apart, if you're taking it apart. if you feel confident. Don't do this if you don't feel confident in doing this. Take it to a repairer, they'll do it for you. At a small cost, I suppose. But you'll see what the pricing is.